You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name, confusing in its spelling because it's of French origin. So we're going to have to look at the French pronunciation first and how it's usually pronounced in English. So in French it's Guillemot. Guillemot. Essentially the I-double-L is like a Y. So Guillemot with a silent T at the end because it's French. Guillemot. Guillemot is how you say it in French. So in English that'd be Guillemot, but in English it's more generally pronounced, especially that's the name of a species of pigeon pronounced as Guillemot. So in English commonly pronounced as Guillemot, or in French, Guillemot. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.